Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Shorthand dictation. Agricultural and general words are used in this dictation. Start. Since independence, wheat continued to be greatly deficient. Full stop. The gap used to be plugged in by sizable imports each year. Full stop. Fortunately, we succeeded in reaping a substantial crop of wheat 2 years back, which was in excess of our domestic requirements. Full stop. Despite great efforts, surplus wheat could not be exported. Full stop. Lot of wheat was also damaged due to insufficient and poor storage arrangements. Full stop. And now we could not maintain its production level achieved previously. Full stop. Its production has fallen and efforts were made to import wheat from abroad. Full stop. Besides, the direct export trade restrictions described above, there were also a number of indirect restrictions such as the export duties, the minimum export price and control by public export corporation, enforcement of grading and standards of quality etc. Full stop. Although, export trade restrictions have been removed in many cases, there are still a number of them in force, adversely affecting export. Full stop. A number of products are subject to minimum export prices or floor prices, below which prices, export is not allowed. Full stop. Although, these continue to be reviewed periodically, with the changes in supply position, yet these need to be eliminated altogether. Full stop. Instead, stability in supply of exportable products should be brought about. Full stop. Monopoly control by public sector exports corporations like the Cotton Export Corporation and the Rice Export Corporation has now been abolished. Full stop. Still, a number of other types of restrictions are in vogue, reducing the flexibility of private exporters. Full stop. The extent of adherence to them is a problem coupled with the lack of proper equipment to undertake grading scientifically. Full stop.